This is Dr. Paul with the Body Intelligence Center, and my wife just got this at Costco. Wow, look at it. Non-GMO, organic almond milk. But it's bad for you if you have too much of it. So, why is it bad? Let's take a look at the ingredients. Macronutrients are critical to losing weight. Look, there's 2 grams of fat. There's 8 grams of carbs with only less than 1 gram of dietary fiber. So if you subtract basically null fiber, so there's 8 grams of protein and less than 1 gram of 8 grams of carbs and less than 1 gram of protein. Basically, this is mainly sugar and a little bit of vitamin. You have vitamin D, 2 micrograms, which is nothing. A little bit of calcium, a little bit of vitamin A. So let's look at the ingredients. Organic almond milk, filtered water, organic almonds. Second ingredient, organic cane sugar. That's the problem right there. The ones that I'm normally getting are on my website. Feel free to go to drkwik.com, drkwik.com. Go under anti-aging recipes and take a look at some of my wonderful keto weight loss anti-aging shakes that are absolutely delicious. God bless you for now.